Hello everyone, welcome back to our beginner's guide to JavaScript programming. I'm Ruth and I'm happy to have you here with me today. Now let us dive into a crucial topic called the arrays. So whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, I'm confident that you will find value in today's lesson. Without further ado, let us jump right into it. First of all, let us first understand what is an array. An array is a data structure used to store multiple values in a single variable. Arrays can hold different types of data such as numbers, strings, and even other arrays. There are two ways we can create arrays. The first one So here we create an array called numbers, and in it contains 5 elements, which include 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the second one So now let us try to run our code and see what we will get. Control save. These are our arrays, as you can see them here. They all put out the same thing, but I just wanted to show you the two different ways we can create our arrays. So let us add some elements to our arrays. Let me show you how to do it. You all can see we have added 6 in our first array, and in our second array we have added grapes. So you can use the push method to add in some elements in your arrays. Now let us remove some elements. Let us remove some elements from our arrays. But first let us comment out this. So let us use the pop method to remove the last elements from our arrays. Uh, Now you can see that we have removed the last elements from our arrays. Here we had 5, we have removed it, and now because we have commented out this, that means that we can't see this in our arrays. So we only see these ones. The one with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the one with apple, banana, orange. So we remove the last elements from our arrays. In the first array we have removed 5, and in the second array we have removed orange. As you can see it from here.